What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video. Hope you're doing great, and today it's time for us to watch our weekly dose of idiots in cars. This is episode number 133, and before we start I want to thank you for the support. You're the best audience ever, and I really appreciate you guys. So now, with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this. Alright, here we have a BMW showing us once again. They are here and they mean business. Some say he's still stuck there. And meanwhile in Los Santos, this guy is trying to ramp up those police chase stars, and booyah, he collects another cup. Is he looking for more? I think he is, but instead gets a pole position. What happens in Los Santos stays in Los Santos. Moving on. Oh, that rev was personal. You can smell the beef in the air. Petrol against electric. Which team are you on, guys? Let me know. I think for me you know the answer. It's petrol all day long, baby. But anyways, let's get back to the video. Oh, now Tesla is just adding the fuel to the fire, or should I say batteries to the fire. Anyways, they don't like each other, definitely. Now we're in Monaco, and it looks like we are in for the show. He sent it too hard. Oh, what is going on here? This looks interesting. That is my favorite RS6, and apparently 501's in. Oh, that was a hard hit, but not hard enough, because they just helped him get away, as all of those angry 600 German horsepower wave goodbye. You'll never see me again. Bro really arrived in a different time zone by now. Never buy 3-cylinder cars, kids. Remember that. That was the tip for today. Right, if you want to catch a fish, you need to become one. And now we wait. Can someone please help me now? I was kidding. Anyways, on to the next one. Whoa. Good thing her reaction took 2 business days to arrive. But anyways, let's see here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh. Bro realized it's much cheaper to crash into that curb than into that Porsche. Which is fair enough. Come on now, power! Hold it, bro, hold it. Oh, he's good, he's good. Oh no, he's not. Oh, that's not gone well. Did a BMW went full Mustang or the Mustang? What the hell is that? Whoa, that's a straight pole position. That's a third one I think we've had so far. But asking if the BMW went full Mustang or the Mustang went full BMW is like asking which is older, chicken or the egg. It's exactly the same. And I love here how everyone is minding their own business, basically. Everyone just going, whoa, oh, oh, bro got moves. Oh, damn. He just redeemed himself for blocking the traffic. That was a nice one. That was the 4th pole position for the day. Whoa. Bro woke up today and chose not to be late. And of course, why would you drive on a road when you have all of that free real estate around you? You can just take a shortcut. Why not? Let me take a wild guess here. This is Florida man. I think it's definitely safe to assume that, but correct me if I'm wrong. And after all of that, he's on his way to get some burritos. I don't know what was that all about, and actually I don't even want to know. Let's see here. Oh, here's my store. Oh, it's not actually, my bad, it's across the street. Let me turn around real quick. And we arrived. This is a perfect spot, let's go. Oh, what is going on here? Hey yo, you can't park there. Or maybe the Porsche just wants to jump and they're trying to convince him not to. Whoa, that was a T-bone and a half. Good night. Bruh. Well, that's what happens when you go through a red and you mess with a Volvo. That's how it goes. And apparently the no car inspection in the US is getting out of hand a little bit. Or maybe this is just a rental, so nobody cares. Let's see here. Ooh. No. And now he's like, damn man, I thought you was the cop. You scared me. Don't drive cars like that. People got foreigns around here, you know. Let's see here. Oh, that pickup truck decided he had enough. He's like, step aside boys, let me show you how it's done. And he's gone. And if the police ask you what are you doing, you simply say, nothing special, just cutting the grass. Oh, that's a mean looking Mustang right there. And on to the next one we go. We have power, and hold it. Is it gonna be an epic 360? Will he make it? Yes. He doesn't have friends, he got family. And also he got hit. On to the next one. Oh, left, right, left, right, left, right. Oh. He couldn't decide, so he chose the middle ground. Literally. Hey, yo, what the hell was that lane change? Maybe that was a guy from before, only with a different truck. Oh, I wonder if you know how they live in Tokyo. That Lada is solid ass. And if you're not scared, you're not going fast enough. Whoa, no! You stupid, you dingleberry. Oh, behold everyone, the freedom has arrived to your local drive-thru. What is that? And actually no, who am I to question the freedom? When the freedom demands some burgers, you give it to them, no questions asked. Even if the freedom wrecks your drive-thru completely. Stop! Oh, come on man, you know better. When the truck manages to stop somehow in time, you have no excuse. When your delivery is late and they send you this video and say you'll get your delivery as soon as possible, only we need to find it first and put it together and we will ship it to you again. Whoa, man. He had zero reasons to do that, but I guess he didn't see the guy. The dashcam guy, of course. But to be honest, it was kind of stupid anyways, regardless of where was the dashcam guy. Oh, is that a horn? Is that him? Damn, bro, the audacity, man. Oh, that man is pushing his luck. And his name is John Cena. Oh, that's a trick position. I think that Honda just said no to cutting grass and sent someone else to do it. Oh, slowly. I got this. Slowly, nice and easy. Even the dog said, you don't know how to drive, you dingleberry. But keep it up, it's very entertaining to watch. Let's see here. Oh, that sky looks unreal. It's nice. Whee! Whack! That dude was like, it's time to spice things up a bit. My life is boring. Oh, looks like someone is in a bad mood. I would just run away. Actually, no, this is France. That's how they drive there. That's how they roll. This is completely normal and acceptable there. Especially when you are in Paris. That's the hot spot there. Oh, the point is to get there. How is not a question. Uh-oh, I think the bro is stuck. Hey, don't try to steal my ice cream. Keep your hands to yourself. Get out of here, man. Chill out, man. Why are you honking? Whoa. That was close. Whoa. I don't know where the dashcam guy got his license, but he's at fault. 100%. Whoa, you just got love tapped by a Merc. Which could be a bad thing or a good thing, depends on what you like. Oh, look at this. This is brand new pickup truck, mint condition. Only a couple of thousand miles on it. And there's a nice bonus, you get a free ladder as well. So hurry up, it's gonna sell quickly. Whoa, brake. I guess it's too late for that now, but we can always hope. No. Oh. Well, luckily for all of them, this went much better than I thought. And now we are back at Winter Olympics. And I think he should use speed and power, because speed and power is the answer to anything. But it's too late now. We are going down, boys. Hang on. Whoa, will it be the 180? No, unfortunately no. He ended up in a ditch, but it was a good run. Solid 7 out of 10, for sure. Oh, he's gonna try again, apparently. Or maybe he just decided to give up and go home, but we wish him all the best as we are moving on. Let's see here. With that many vehicles in one place, this can only go well. You see? I was right. Not really. And with jokes aside, that's why I don't like being around trucks. I'm keeping my distance just to be safe. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed in today's episode, and if you did, please smack that like button and subscribe if you're keen to see more of this, of course. And also don't forget to leave a comment as well. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day, and I will see you in the next one. Love you all. Ciao, ciao.
Всё хорошо?